Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Shark Navigator is probably one of the most sought-after vacuum cleaners on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a powerful and versatile cleaning experience that can tackle a wide range of messes with ease. This particular model, the SV1106, is designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient and less of a chore, boasting impressive suction power and a lightweight, maneuverable design that allows you to navigate around furniture and tight spaces effortlessly, ensuring no dust bunny is left behind. Number 5. Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle Cordless Stick Vacuum. Experience cleaning freedom with this lightweight, cordless vacuum. It's portable, powerful, and versatile, weighing in at only 7.5 pounds. Its 2-speed brush roll is optimized for both carpet and hard floors. You'll get premium pet hair pickup throughout your entire home. The easy-to-empty 0.64 quart dust cup allows for extended cleaning sessions. You can clean more without interruption. The included charger doubles as a convenient storage block. It can fully charge the device in just 4 hours. This package includes the Shark Freestyle cordless vacuum and its precision charger. Get ready for effortless cleaning. Enjoy a 2-speed brush roll that's optimized for both carpet and bare floors. It ensures efficient cleaning on any surface. What we like? Experience ultimate cleaning freedom with its lightweight, cordless design. The 2-speed brush roll tackles both carpet and hard floors with ease, while the XL dust cup means fewer interruptions. If you're looking for a versatile and convenient vacuum for everyday messes and pet hair, this is your go-to. What people say. The suction is good and picks up the dog hair. It's lightweight and is easy to put back on its charger station. Light, excellent performance on both carpet and tile. Quick charge time and a great docking station. Extremely easy to put together. Very lightweight. I like that the canister is on the bottom and debris doesn't need to travel though the entire stick to be deposited. The canister is also bigger than my other vacuum. Suction is much better than my last vacuum. I like that it has a setting for both hard floors and carpet since I have both. Number 4. Shark Navigator SV1106 Replacement Parts. Ensure your Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner performs at its best with our high-quality replacement parts. Designed for a perfect fit, they help maintain optimal suction and cleaning power. These accessories are specifically designed for the Shark Navigator Freestyle Cordless Upright Bagless Vacuum models SV1106, SV1107, SV1100, and SV1112. They are also comparable to part number XF1100T. The rolling brush features soft, flexible bristles that effectively capture dust, dirt, and debris from carpets. It ensures a thorough clean every time you vacuum. Our foam filter is made from durable, high-strength material. It's washable and reusable. Simply let it dry completely before reinserting to keep your air clean. The rubber belt is a crucial component for your vacuum's operation. Replacing a worn-out belt promptly can significantly enhance its overall performance and efficiency. Installing these parts is straightforward and simple. If you have any questions about compatibility or the installation process, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like? Keep your vacuum running like new with these compatible replacement parts. The washable foam filter ensures clean air, and the efficient brush cleans carpets thoroughly. If your Shark Navigator SV1106 needs a tune-up or you want to maintain peak performance, these parts are a perfect fit. What people say. Works perfect for the Shark Freestyle Navigator SV1100 series cordless vacuum. Exactly as described, and the little tools that come with everything are super cool. Nice selection of parts to maintaining my vacation. Thing to cut hair. The roller is clever and handy. Product worked perfectly fit. Great. The filters were much needed for business surgery value. Number 3. HQRP 14.4V 2000 mAh replacement battery. Is your cordless stick vacuum losing its power? This 14.4V, 2000 mAh NMH battery is designed to bring back its original runtime and strong suction. It's specifically made to be compatible with Shark Freestyle Navigator models like the SV1106 and SV1112. Just ensure your model uses a 14.4V battery. Replacing your old battery is a breeze. You can easily swap it out yourself in just a few minutes, no tools required. Once installed, you'll notice an instant improvement in cleaning performance. Enjoy longer cleaning sessions without interruption. This battery features quality-tested cells and comes with a 200-day warranty. We're here to help with any support or troubleshooting needs. Please double-check your vacuum's battery type and part number before purchasing. This 14.4V battery is not compatible with the XBT1106N or SV1106N models. What we like? Revitalize your cleaning sessions with this high-capacity replacement battery. It easily restores lost runtime and suction power, making your vacuum feel brand new. If you're tired of your cordless vacuum dying mid-clean, this is the solution for extended, powerful performance. What people say. The suction is powerful and picks up dirt and debris effectively. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. The dustbin is easy to empty and clean. Number 2. Dttery 4-pack foam filter replacement for Shark Navigator Rotator Freestyle Cordless Vacuum. Introducing our premium 4-pack of foam filters, designed to keep your cordless vacuum running smoothly. These are perfect replacements for your existing filters. Specifically engineered to fit Shark Navigator Rotator Freestyle cordless vacuum models like SV1106, SV1107, SV1100, and SV1112. They are a direct match to part number XF1100T. Crafted from high-strength and environmentally friendly materials, these filters are built to last. They offer a sustainable solution for your vacuum maintenance needs. Enjoy the convenience of washable and reusable filters. Simply rinse them with clean water and ensure they are completely dry before reinstalling for optimal performance. Replacing your old filters is a breeze with these easy-to-install foam filters. Maintain the efficiency of your vacuum with minimal effort. Keep your Shark vacuum performing at its best. These filters help capture fine dust and allergens, ensuring a cleaner home environment for you and your family. What we like? Ensure consistently clean air and optimal performance with this pack of 4 washable foam filters. They are designed for easy replacement and are reusable, offering an eco-friendly solution. If you want to maintain the air quality and efficiency of your vacuum with a convenient and cost-effective supply, these filters are ideal. What people say. Exactly what I need for my Shark unit, and I got a little cleaning tool with it. Make it easier to rotate filters now. To me, these filters work great. I use them for my Shark vacuum. Very pleased. They are also reusable, which is a definite plus. Number 1. Shark XBT1106N battery. Ensure your Navigator Freestyle operates at peak performance with a genuine replacement battery. This 10.8-volt power source is designed specifically for your model. Specifically engineered for the Navigator Freestyle model SV1106. Get the perfect fit and reliable power you expect. Experience extended cleaning sessions with this high-quality replacement battery. It's built to last, providing consistent power for all your cleaning needs. Replacing your old battery is simple and quick. Just pop it in and get back to cleaning without any hassle. Don't let a worn-out battery slow you down. Restore your vacuum's original power and efficiency with this essential part. Choose the XBT1106N for guaranteed compatibility and performance. It's the smart choice for maintaining your Navigator Freestyle. What we like? Restore your Navigator Freestyle's power with this genuine 10.8-volt replacement battery. It's specifically designed for the SV1106 model, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. If your original battery is no longer holding a charge, this genuine part is the best way to get your vacuum back to its full potential. What people say. This new battery fixed my Shark Navigator right up. The vac got to where it would only run for half a minute after being charged, so I ordered this new battery from Amazon, and now it works perfectly again. It came fully charged and ready to go. The battery was easy to install in the cordless sweeper. Now my vacuum is back charging enough to run for 20 minutes or more, so I'm very pleased. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.